Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Friday, the 22nd of February. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday, and most of the action happened locally with our own Aussie dollar, where we saw strong employment numbers come in with an employment change at 39.1 thousand jobs. That was way over the forecast, and also we saw the unemployment remaining at a 7-year low of 5%. Now this sparked the Aussie US dollar to jump up at the release of the news, but the real drama happened later in the day when the news broke out that customs at China's northern Dalian ports has banned imports on Australian coal. This was seen as a retaliatory action against the Huawei ban, and naturally the markets have reacted abruptly as China is one of our major buyers of our resources, with our Aussie US dollar dropping significantly for the session. From the US, we saw the core durable goods order come in at 0.1%. That was slightly under the forecast in a day which the US dollar actually made a bit more ground than not against the majors for the session. We also saw from Europe the release of the French services PMI that came in better than forecast at 49.8, while the German manufacturing PMI was at 47.2, slightly under the forecast, and the services PMI was better than forecasted at 55.1 in a session which the euro had a relatively flat day. Alright, let's have a look at our chart of the day. Yesterday's chart of the day did not trigger. The market went right through the level and we did not get the price action reversal that we were looking for, so there was nothing to report on that one. Our GBP AUD trade that we had from earlier in the week has now hit full target, and it's hit its 2-to-1 target. It's actually gone way beyond that, but it has hit the second target, so for all of you who are on that one, well done. That one should be over now. Let us now look at today's chart of the day, and this morning I have found for us a Euro NZD 4-hour time frame. If you have a look at here, really nice channel. The bottom line, particularly very supportive. The market has come once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times to this level. On the top side, we have had 1, 2, and we are approaching a third level now. So naturally what I'm looking for is I want the market to move into this region where I've highlighted here, which is my hot zone, and then in that region I want to see a price action reversal pattern occur. Once I get that pattern occurring, I've got my confirmation, and then I'll be ready to attempt a short trade on this one. It is a 4-hour time frame, so it could happen throughout this session, so keep an eye on it. Add it to your hot list. Euro NZD 4-hour time frame. What's happening in the session which is about to kick off? We have this morning at 9:30 locally RBA Governor Lowe will be speaking. Then after midnight at 12:30 from Canada we have core retail sales to be released, and at 2:30 in the morning from Europe we have ECB President Draghi will be speaking. That pretty much wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend. I'll speak to you on Monday for the Daily Call. Bye for now.